Ready?
Yes.
Hi, Henry.
Hi.
Today we have Indian 441 Deluxe B. Deluxe because we have a chrome exhaust, and if you have chrome, it is a Deluxe. B is standing for battery ignition. That means you need a battery to use this bike, and yes, I just want to show that the engine is running, and so I will start it. Maybe you want to make some more directly video, and I open the fuel tap. It's over here. I open the other one. We have a Kickstarter, and I think this position will help. Ready? No. Yes, we need the ignition.